Are you seeing the last line no longer available error when trying to make calls on your iPhone? This issue can be frustrating, but it can usually be fixed with a few simple steps. Here is how you can fix the last line no longer available error on your iPhone. Solution 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Open Settings. Toggle on airplane mode. Wait for about 30 seconds. Toggle off airplane mode. Quickly after that, restart your iPhone. Check your issues. Solution 2. Clear recent call history. Open the phone app. Tap the Recents tab. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Tap Clear in the top left corner. Select Clear all recents to confirm. Try making a call to see if the error persists. Solution 3. Turn off restrictions. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Screen Time. Scroll down. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now toggle this feature off. Solution 4. Use the SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to eject the SIM card tray from your iPhone. Remove the SIM card and wait for about 30 seconds. Reinsert the SIM card and close the tray. Try making a call to see if the error persists. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset network settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. Your iPhone will restart. Try making a call to see if the error persists. Most likely, your problem will be solved by following these steps. If you still have any issues or need further assistance, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.